Good morning, students. Saira. Today we'll be further continuing with industries of Karnataka. I think by now you all know the prominent industries of our state. Till now we have who will tell me what all industries we have covered? Very good. We have covered iron and steel, cotton industry and sugar industry. Let's talk about the other major industries of Karnataka. That is your paper and cement industry. Paper, we all know, right? It's very useful for us. Cement, again, it is mainly used for your construction purposes. So, we will talk about these two important industries of Karnataka, the paper industry and the cement industry. Let's start first with the paper industry. Now tell me what type of industry it will be. You think that it will come under the category of agricultural based or mineral based like iron and steel or some other type? Yes, you are right. Paper industry is a forest based industry. Your bamboo, wood, grass, cloth rag, waste all are used as raw materials in the manufacturing of paper. Okay, let's start. It is a forest based industry. Bamboos, wood pulp, grass, bagasse. We spoke about bagasse in the previous lesson. It is an outcome of a byproduct of sugar industry. Cloth racks, waste, all these are used as raw materials for manufacturing of paper. The first paper mill, Mysuru Paper Mill Limited, was established in the year 1936 at Bhadravati. Later, a private company by name West Coast Paper Mill was started at Dandeli. Let us have a look how a paper industry look. This is how a paper industry looks. There are many more paper mills at Nanjangud, Krishnarajnagara, Satyagala, Mundagod, Munirabad, Yediyur and Bangalore. Karnataka ranks 4th in the production of paper. For sugar it was 3rd. Karnataka produces 3.6 lakh tons of paper products every year. Let us talk now about the other industry, that is your cement industry. Cement played a very important role in the urbanization and industrialization of Karnataka. What is urbanization? Urbanization means when more and more cities come up, wherein you can tell the villages completely are changing into small towns or into cities. What is industrialization? When more and more industries come forward or they are set up, it's called as industrialization. As urbanization and industrialization has increased in Karnataka, the demand for cement in construction activities also increased. Cement is mainly used for constructing houses, your public buildings, roads, bridges and dams. So the two major factors which gave the more demand for cement was urbanization and industrialization. Most of the raw materials needed for establishing a cement industry are available within Karnataka. We need limestone. Limestone is abundantly found in Karnataka. In addition to limestone, we also need gypsum and bauxite, which is again available in Karnataka. Only one of the raw material, that is the coal, is imported from the neighboring states of Karnataka. So, majorly what all raw materials are needed for a cement industry is found within Karnataka apart from coal. Availability of water, sand, clay, transport, electricity supply, wide market, which are the other factors which help in the growth and development of cement industry. Today, Karnataka is producing close to 8% of the entire country's total cement. At present, it has an annual production capacity of close to 121 lakh of tons. The first cement factory in the state was established at Bhadravati in 1939. If you have seen, in Bhadravati only the paper mill also was set up. Later, factories were set up at Bagalkot, Amma Sandra of Tumkur district, Shahabad of Kalaburgi district, Ittegahalli, Madakari, Kanchipura, Kurkunta, Sedam and Chittapura. Let us quickly have a recap. Paper industry is a forest-based industry. The first paper mill, the Mysuru Paper Mill Limited, was established in 1936 at Bhadravati. Karnataka ranks presently 4th in the production of paper. As a result of urbanization and industrialization, the demand for cement for construction activities also tremendously increased. And the raw materials needed for cement industry to be established, that is your limestone, gypsum, bauxite, water, sand, clay, electricity, transport, markets are available in Karnataka. Only the one raw material which is not available and which they import from the neighboring state is coal. Karnataka is presently producing 8% of the total cement of our nation. The first cement factory in the state was also established in the same place of Bhadravati in the year 1939. I hope there is no doubt, children. Quickly just try doing the homework. Thank you.